Okay, hello everyone. So let us determine the slope and the y-intercept of the given linear equation. Now, this time we need to transform this equation into a slope-intercept form. Okay, because our given is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So it is in the standard form, and then transform it into our slope-intercept form. So how can we do it? So just follow the process only. Okay. Now, since we have a y, term in the left side, so let us retain negative 4y sa left side. Okay. Now, ano ang kailangan nating ilipat? This 3x here. Okay. Since ito ang may term na may x variable, itilipat natin tong 3x dito sa ating right hand side of the equal sign. Okay? So, let us rewrite negative 4y. Okay? Equals, okay? Ayan ha, equal sign. And then, 3x. So, from positive 3x, lilipat ko siya sa right hand side of the equal sign. We will get negative 3x. Okay, that is the transposition method. And then bring down 12. Since it is positive, okay, that is plus 12. Okay, no matter what the sign of the number, yun ang operation. Next. Okay, since nakikita nyo ha, kailangan y lang siya dito sa ating left hand side. So, meron tayong negative 4y. We have negative 4. So, meaning to say, okay, we need to divide both sides by that numerical coefficient. So, no matter what the number here is, yun ang ipang-divide natin from both sides. So, it will become negative 4y divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 3x divided by negative 3x plus 12 divided by negative 4. So, this one, okay, negative 4y divided by negative 4, you will get positive y. Okay, y na lang yan. Next, negative 3x, okay, paghiwalay natin. Negative 3x over negative 4 plus 12 over negative 4. So, mangyayari, okay, y is equal to, bring down y, negative 3x over negative 4, you will get positive 3/4 x. No need to change it into decimal form. 3/4 x. That is already in the lowest term. Next, positive 12 divided by negative 4, you will get negative 3. So now, this is our slope-intercept form. Okay, let us identify our slope. Our slope here is 3/4. Okay, 3/4. Ayan, here, 3/4. It is positive 3/4. Since it is a positive 3/4, the line, okay, or the graph, okay, goes up from left to right. Okay, since we have a positive slope, okay, that is 3/4, the line goes up from left to right. Next, how about our y-intercept? Our y-intercept is negative 3, meaning to say, okay, at 0, negative 3, okay, the line or the graph will intersect at 0, negative 3. So that's how we identify our slope from the given linear equation. Okay, so let's have another example. So this time is a different equation naman. So we have 2y is equal to 10x plus 16. Now, since, okay, ang sinusundan natin ay ang slope-intercept form, that is in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Okay? Now, tingnan nyo, ang may term na y nasa right hand side na. And also yung term na may x nasa right hand side na. Okay? So, kailangan na lang natin gawin, okay, we don't apply the transposition method, so we need to divide both sides na lang by the numerical coefficient 2. Okay? So, divide both sides by 2. So, 2y divided by 2, so it will become y. Okay? Because 2 over 2, it will reduce as 1. Okay? So, 10x, paghiwalay na lang natin, 10x over 2, okay, plus 16 over 2. So, y is equal to 10x over 2, or 10x divided by 2, that is 5x. Okay, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So, retain x. Plus 16 divided by 2, and that is 8. So, this is our slope-intercept form. Now, let us identify our slope. Our slope is 5. Okay, so since it is positive, the line goes up from left to right. Okay, next, our our y-intercept, sorry, is positive 8. Okay, therefore, okay, at 0, 8, tandaan na, first, we have the 0 kapag sinasabi natin y-intercept. At 0, 8, okay, the graph will intersect at 0, 8. Okay, next, let's have another example. This time is another example. Okay, I have input 5 different examples, okay, as your practice. So we have y minus 2x is equal to negative 6. Sige, you can pause this video and try to transform this one into our slope-intercept form. Now, let's have, let us answer, okay, this one. So we have y minus 2x is equal to negative 6. So let us write our slope-intercept form. Okay, so this one is in y is equal to mx plus b. Para may guide tayo, always write our formula. Y is equal to mx plus b. Now, so we need to isolate y. Okay, lahat ng may x term, ililipat natin siya sa right side. Okay, so isolate y. So since y na lang siya, may iwan siya dyan. Y is equal to, from negative 2x, okay, transpose it, it will become positive 2x. And then rewrite negative 6. And this is our slope-intercept form. Okay, next, identify our slope. Our slope here is 2. Okay, and the graph is the line goes up from left to right. Why? It is the graph goes up from left to right because we have a positive slope. Okay. Next, our b is negative 6. So at 0, negative 6, the graph will intersect there on the x-axis. Okay. Now, let's have another example. So we have 5y plus 10 is equal to negative 2x. This time is a different equation naman. So since, okay, we are following the slope-intercept form na y is equal to mx plus b, okay, our term with x, okay, variable, nasa right-hand side na siya. Now, this time, ang kailangan nating ilipat is the constant term. So, positive 10, lipat natin siya sa right-hand side. So, let us retain 5y. Okay? And then, equal sign, bring down negative 2x. And then from positive 10, it will become negative 10 by the transposition method. Next, divide both sides by the number or by the coefficient 5. No matter what the value here, okay, yan ang pang-divide natin from both sides. Okay, so 5y over 5, that is, or 5y divided by 5, that is y, equals. So let us paghiwalayin. Negative 2x over 5 and minus 10 over 5. Okay, simplifying it, y is equal to negative 2x over 5. Negative 2 over 5, that is in the lowest term na. So here is negative 2 over 5x. Okay, and then negative 10 divided by 5, you will get negative 2. So this is our slope intercept form. Okay, identify our slope. Our m here is negative 2/5. Okay, so since we have a negative value of slope, the line goes up from right to left. Okay, from right to left. The line goes up from right to left, to left. Okay, next, our value of y-intercept here is negative 2. So since we have a negative 2 for y-intercept, meaning to say, our graph will intersect at negative 2. Okay, and then the last example here, ito, this time, you can pause the video and try to transform this one into slope-intercept form. Okay, always remember that the slope-intercept form is in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so y. So again, since we have a positive 9 here, so ito ang kailangan nating ilipat sa left side. Sa right hand side ng equal sign. So retain y, and then equals to negative 4/5. So that is already in the lowest term. Okay, rewrite lang. Negative 4/5 x. Next, negative 1, right? And then from positive 9, you will get negative 9. Okay, yun, nilipat ko. From positive, it will become negative. So, next, y is equal to negative 4/5. Although sa lowest term na siya, ha? So, don't need to reduce it. Negative 4/5 x. Okay. So, negative 1 minus 9, that is negative 10. So, this one is in the slope-intercept form. Okay. So, let us transform this, So, let us identify our slope. Our slope is negative 4/5. And our graph is the line goes up from right to left. Okay, so our b here, okay, is negative 10. Okay, meaning to say at 0, negative 10 coordinate, okay, the graph will intersect on the x-axis or on the coordinate 0, negative 10. And that's how we transform some equations into slope-intercept form, and then identifying the slope, the graph, and the y-intercept, and the y-intercept of that equation.